scored 5 points. Number 7 player. Adarsh Patekar. Adarsh has scored 5.5 points. Sixth place we have Vipul Kadam. Vipul has scored 5.5 points. Thank you very much, Vandega sir. Now I request today's chief guest to Santosh Desai to give us some prizes. At fifth place we have Piyush Nagekar. Piyush has scored 5.5 points. At fourth place we have Avnish Borkar. Avnish has scored 6 points. At third place we have Shinal Rodriguez. Shinal Rodriguez has scored 6 points. She's from Ohio. From Vijay. On second place we have Chaitanya Patil. Chaitanya has scored 6.5 points on Vegan. And winner of the tournament is none other than Rajveer Patil. Rajveer has scored 6.5 points. I request all 10 players to kindly wait for a group photo. Please wait. Tournament hour. Continue with the prize. Under 7 girls, third place goes to Arvind Tense. Arvind Tense. Second place goes to Srisha Bhai. Srisha Bhai. The seventh girl, first place goes to Aradhya Desai. I will take you to Kochi now. Thank you very much, Anand sir. Now I request Mr. Deepak Gowal to give us some prizes. Under 9 boys, third place goes to Tanush Rani. The 9 boys, second place goes to Shubhan Bhume. Shubhan Bhume. And the 9 boys, first place goes to Aryan Naik. Aryan has scored 4.5 points. Next is under 9 girls. Third place goes to Shriya Bandolkar. Shriya Bandolkar. Shriya has scored 3.5 points.
भुरग्यांक प्रोत्साहन दिवपाक ताळयो मारपाक पंचशील घोशणा करता.
Second place goes to Disha Bhonge. Disha Bhonge. Disha scored 3.5 points. And first place goes to Shanvi Redkar. Thank you very much. Now I request our coach Abhijit sir to give away some prizes. Under 11 boys, third place goes to Sarth Desai. Sarth is scored 3.5 points. Under 11 boys, second place goes to Dees Carvalho. Under 11, first place goes to Shaurya Mehta. Next category is under 11 girls. Third place goes to Anvi Parab. He scored 3.5 points. Second place goes to Mishka Shah. Mishka Shah. First place goes to Uriel Fernandez. Uriel scored 4.5 points. Congratulations to you. I request Madam Priyanka Kaukar to give away next prize. Under 13 boys, third place goes to Shrok Mehta. Under 13 boys, second place goes to Paras Pawar. First place goes to Tapasya Bhatt. Next category is under 13 girls. Third place goes to Khushi Nayak. Second place goes to Shravi Mehta. Shravi has scored 3.5 points out of 7. Next is under 13 girl. Winner of under 13 girl. First place goes to Syed Mehta. Mehta has scored 4 points. Thank you, Madam Gaukar. Now I request Mr. Kadam to go away next prize. Under 15 boys, third place goes to Nishesh Gowde. Nishesh Gowde. Second place goes to Vansh Shadwikar. I request Treasurer of MTCA, Sri Pudari Naik, to please come to stage. Next is under 15 boys, sorry. Under 15 boys, first place goes to Hans Redkar. I request Pundalik Naik to give away some prizes. Under 15 girls, third place goes to Sanika Naik. Second place goes to Arvi Naik. Arvi Vikas Naik. Arvi has scored 5 points. Winner of under 15 girls, first place goes to Syed Maya. Syed Maya. Next is Best Centenary Chess Academy player. Best Centenary Chess Academy player prize goes to Inayat Khan. Inayat has scored 4 points. Splendid prize Centenary player. Thank you. Now there is a special prize. Okay, I request Mr. Praval. Praval is here. Praval, right here. Sorry. I request Pundalik Naik sir to give a special prize for Mr. Praval for helping us. Thank you. Thank you, Pundalik sir. जनता पब्लिक पूरी सरकार साक्षी गायक नेक्स्ट साक्षी गायक 5.4 5.4 एंड्रू हैंड्रिक्स कार्तिक साप्टे रुद्र गावस विघ्नेश केलुस्कर डॉक्टर विश्वजीत देसाई आर्यन मुकादकर ऋषभ गावस शुभम बांदोडकर रचना केवट गेट रेडी प्लीज आर्यन देसाई संदीप कदम स्वरा सावंत रोनेल फर्नांडिस नीरव शेट्टी अर्णा सावंत रिशोना इनपामू सार्थक पावसकर नित्या गावडे श्रेयस गावडे श्रेयस स्वरा शिंदे आयुष मोरे श्लोक नाईक सिद्धार्थ नाईक निकेश मामल मयंक गावणे, प्रियाशा भिंद, निहारिका मोरे, आरोही भटकर, नील नाईक, अथर्व शेटे, तेजस पाटील, सार्थक वस, सोहम पाटकर, जारा बेग, मयंक नाईक, अयान पट्टे, विहान नाईक, आदी पट्टे, माधुरी नाईक, श्रीमान चौगुले, ब्राह्मी मातसुली, साला सैयद साला, वंश नायक, ओम लोकाशी भी, thank you very much. Now I request top 10 winners. Please get ready. Top 10 winners, please get ready for group photograph. Vendors in left, kindly report to the mic.
चेतन साइड लगे
All prize winners. All.
Happy holiday.
आज पाटलाने